In the new ChefsTemp Protemp 2 Plus, withstand the heat up to 1,000 degrees. We caveman style seared this bad boy on the Kamado Joe. Stick around to see how we did and how it performed, and we'll get into the key features. Let's get into the key features of the new ChefsTemp Protemp 2. The first thing I want to show you is the difference between the Protemp 1 versus the Protemp 2. This is the version 1, this is version 2, and what you're immediately going to see is how thick version 1 is versus version 2, and you can immediately see the difference, how thinner and lightweight. This is made out of stainless steel and ceramic on the edge here, and get up to 1,000 degrees, and I think up to 212 degrees internal. It's got 5 sensors. And so this is the big change that I'm excited about testing out, doing a caveman sear to test out the ambient temperature, but also you can just immediately tell the difference how lightweight this is. And this is a wonderful base, very similar. It's the same base it looks like. And this is gonna be your anchor. So it's Bluetooth and also Wi-Fi base. And so this is gonna be something you're gonna wanna have by your probe when you're cooking, especially when you close it. You need to be about 15 feet from your probe to your base. But then whenever it's unobstructed views, I think it's up to, I'll put it on the exact screen, the measure or half, the feet, but I wanna say it's like, 500 feet, but I could be off on that. But either way, depending on what you're doing, then it connects to an app, which makes it very versatile, and you'll appreciate that when you are moving around and you're able to connect to your app and monitor the temperatures and all those good things. So those are the key features, and also has the ability to charge other devices as a base. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge it fully, but a minimum of 1 hour of charging to get you started and get that cooking going. And it's magnetic in the back. It's got this cool storage in the back, like this version 1. I got an extra one as well, and you can keep this charged if you're doing dual thing, but you can charge up to 3 different probes, which is wonderful if you're cooking multiple things and you want to monitor those as well. I believe this is also magnetic. Let's see if I have anything here on the side. Yep. The microwave right there, it sticks to that. It's magnetic, so you can put this on your grill or whatever as well. So it's got some nice pads as well. So if you're laying it like this or here, you're gonna be good to go. So those are the key highlights. Now we're gonna take you out to the grill, and we're gonna do a little reverse sear of this ribeye steak and put this in, and go ahead and show you the app as I'm inserting this, how easy it is to locate your Wi-Fi and put your code in, and super easy. And we are ready to go. I have dry brined this with my all y'all seasoning and overnight, so we are gonna have some great results with this. I cannot wait. Hopefully this is coming through the camera. We are lighting up the Kamado Joe Big Joe, and then we are going to do a little reverse sear action, and then I'm going to throw it directly on the charcoal to see how this ambient portion of the probe does, and give you my final thoughts and reviews of this new ChefsTemp Protemp Plus 2. We've got the KJ Big Joe Connected Joe set to 275 for reverse searing. I've got this ready to go with no grill grate at all. And we're going to go ahead and get this to about 105 to 110 degrees, and then just let it sear. So I'll bring you back when it's time to sear, and that's the main test today. So I won't go instructions on necessarily how I set this up, but it's essentially indirect cooking and going right into the flames for searing. All right, team, so it is 110, 111 degrees. This is looking good. It's time to start banking all of the charcoal forward. So I'm going to get my ash tool here. I'm going to bring this fire forward. So right there, that hot bed we are gonna just drop this steak and be ready to go. All right, team, I'm gonna use this little meat hook and I'm gonna get that in there. We're gonna lay this right in. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. Move this around. Right on that hot coal. We're gonna let this go for about 20 seconds and then I'm gonna flip it. All right, I hope you can see that coming through. Friends, we got a good sear going here. I'm gonna look at it on this grill grate. We got one charcoal on there. Kind of wipe that off. All right, friends, this thing is done. We've let it rest. We're gonna take you into the kitchen, slice it, give our final review of this Protemp 2 Plus, and see how we performed on this beautiful ribeye. All right, team, this thing has beeps to say to take it out. Let's cut around this. So now it's great fat right there. All right, man. See how we did. Definitely cutting really nice. And sometimes whenever you cut, it does not always come through on camera just how it performed. Today I don't have my camera guy, so hopefully running back and forth behind the camera and doing this taste test, I didn't overcook this, but overall it beeped at me once it hit 110. We did it directly over the fire and took it to 126. You'll see that on the screen. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're gonna see how we did. So just that, it's just basic salt, pepper, garlic is all I did. And it tastes really good. I see the red in the middle, a little brownie on the outside. So that means I let it probably, unless it's shining through better on camera, I think I'll let this rest a little too long because usually I like medium rare, but this tastes good and it alerted me. And so more of a user error on the rest side, but overall turned out wonderful. I like how lightweight this is and it performed over the fire and it honestly didn't even get too dirty. Easy to clean as well. Let us know what questions you have in the comment section as well. Other things you might want to see us cook with this, but it performed well. It runs, I believe, $149.99 by itself. And then it goes up from there if you want more probes. I'll be sure to have a link in my bio with different codes and discounts if that's helpful. And if this review was helpful to you, be sure to like, subscribe. The channel definitely helps us out. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.